Hello, in this video I'm just going to quickly demonstrate this circuit. If you want to see the circuit diagram, a fritzing diagram, you can go to the link in the description. But what this is it's a push button latching circuit which uses two bipolar junctional transistors. This is a PNP transistor and this is an NPN transistor. So in the off state, the base of this one, the center pin, is pulled low through this 10 kilo ohm resistor, and this PNP transistor, the base is pulled high through this transistor here, so everything is off. When I press the button, then this base transistor is now connected through this diode, through the button, to ground here through this 1000 ohm resistor, and that turns it on. And so then that would allow this to conduct, so then current can flow through this red wire and power your device. In this case, I'm just having it connected to an LED just for demonstrations purposes, but if I press that button, you can see it turns on. But when I release the button, then this connection is broken, and so then it stops conducting. So that's the purpose of this NPN transistor, is it would have to be connected to a microcontroller, which you could have being powered by the circuit. And so when it turns on, the microcontroller has to pull a pin connected to this wire here high, which is connected through this 1000 ohm resistor to the base of this NPN transistor. And that would turn this on. And as long as this stays high, then that would allow this 1000 ohm resistor, which is connected to the base here, to latch this NPN and maintain current flowing. So for example, if I just press here, so you can still see the light turns on, and then the microcontroller quickly latches in its programming, then when I let go, it stays on. Okay, and then in the program you could have it like after a certain amount of time, or after a certain like sensor reading, maybe then this would send a low signal and then everything would shut off. Another thing though you can do is have the push button off. So now this button is also connected to this diode here. So if this was connected to a digital input pin into the microcontroller, it could sense when this button is pressed, and so then this lead here would be connected through this diode again to ground, giving it a low signal. And so if that digital input pin detected a low, then you could have it shut off the high signal here, which would then turn off power, right? So right now it's not connected to anything, but once you take power from this pin, everything would shut off. All right, so I hope that's useful. Again, if you want to see the circuit diagram, have a look at the link in the description. Okay, thanks.